Nice paint job. Don't knock it. Oh, what if I did? What if I did? Then you would be a knocker. I don't know if I like that jib cut. It's not that hot out. The air conditioner next door. I don't even know why I know what an air conditioner is. That's amazing. It's really not that hot out. I'm walking. Crouching low just to see nature. Wow. You know, it's interesting. The phone picks up more of that purple stuff than real life. But we can't do a real life version of phone camera land, because that's just the way it works. See, it zeroed in. Did you see that? See the purple stuff? That's what's important. It's violets. So beautiful. They are spring. I don't know what I'm doing out here. I feel like I should have some kind of purpose. But for once, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't. That's why I said it like this, because when you know what to do, I don't know what that meant. But it seemed like an inflection that a lot of people use when they go. It's stupid. Stop doing it. It makes you sound like this. No one's gonna understand what you're doing. I could throw that back in your face, you know. I mean, who's gonna understand what you're doing? I do this for me. The internet's gonna kill you. You're not allowed to do stuff for yourself. It has to be for a greater purpose where you're judged by your actions. Mm-hmm. You're nodding. Mm-hmm. Again. Mm-hmm. So you're gonna fall asleep soon? You always fall asleep, you know. I'm a narcoleptic. Do you even know what that means? It's someone who is addicted to ratting people out, you know. Because they're like, oh yeah, you're the narc. Yeah, that's right. So many sounds. It's like I'm in nature. You know, you haven't moved for like 5 minutes. It's only 3 minutes and 40 seconds. You can't even see the counter. Well, you know. Let's go over this way. Walking across the backyard and nobody's out, so it's okay for me to sing like this. It really was beautiful. I know. A little while ago, these things were just real small. And I was still like, oh look, here's Brad Pitt's Mysterious Lilies. No one knows what that means or why you're talking about Brad Pitt. If only you knew my pain. No one knows your pain. Let's have a look at these. They're just green things, leaves. They're beautiful. I know. Do I look like I'm swimming? Not really. Your face is going to be covered in earth. Look at something. That is a genuine booger. Turn it off.